This song is a local Kibreton song. I guess the chorus has been around quite a bit, but this certain number was composed for a voyage made by some sailors from Glengarry across the Badore Lakes, leaving Bedeck. And I guess, according to the verses and the story, it's told that there was a sort of a Gilbert came up, and things got pretty rough. I learned it from my father. It was quite popular around the Iona area, and at a Cayley, there wasn't too many shots passed around when this song had to be sung. It was a must. Let's shoot yourself. Fanny laid God or Rory Loro, Fanny laid God, Sahoy Noy, Shin Yanoy, Shin Yaw, Shin can rain, Yakwa, Pashi to her Sawanya, Sitaren through Casareas, Fanny. Later go, hurry, Lord, Paddy, later go, so no, in Paddock, in clearance, mathing mock, kitten, Vapri, a sound on your Sitaren through Casareas, Paddy. Later go, Rory Loro, Paddy, later go, so no, Dark Ruan, Damen, Hurry, Garoi, Gabi, Sito, Galanda, Lana, Arican, Foanye, Paddy. Later go, Rory Loro, Paddy, later go, so Shentok shaft at Pint of Cone, even double rifts of Forsel, Vamensel, Yellow, Rex and Jip, Quabord, Aftawabi, Paddy. Rory Loro, Paddy, later go, so Shechegak Mawan Grana, Nangak and Marahat, Hotrix Aviat Sanalari, Ropa Watcher Kanye, Paddy, later go, hurrah, Paddy, later go, so noise, Shenyo Echansa Tamag, Evisage Beutrum, Ecu, when more than Utic Masculier, Farek, Paddy, later go, hurrah. Shabasturek Sangaftin Kalurni, Stachia Yahu, Wasakun, the Shahu, Jarek, Tvari, later go.